Samsung is rolling out a brand new update for Galaxy S24 series, and this update comes with November security patch. With this update, Samsung is also giving a new security feature in auto blocker. So let's check it out. Update is around 463 megabytes in size, and the changelog says after this update in auto blocker, when maximum restrictions are turned on, USB devices will not be allowed to connect with this phone except for charging. Also, it says after the update, you won't be able to downgrade software on this device due to updates to the security policy. So I'll install this update and let's check out this new USB blocker option. Now the latest November security patch is installed, and before this update in maximum restrictions, there was no such USB blocker option. And now if I go to settings, then in security and privacy, now if I tap on auto blocker and turn it on, you will see this maximum restrictions option. And here we have this new feature that blocks USB connection. So I'm first gonna turn off this option and I'll try to connect a USB with my Galaxy S24 Ultra. It's connected now, and we have this notification at the top saying that a USB device is connected. And if I go to File Manager, so this is the USB storage that shows up here. Now let's turn on that maximum restrictions option. And once again, I'll connect my USB drive. Okay, so now it says USB connection is blocked and you can't change or modify any setting in this section. Also, if I go to Files Manager, there is no USB storage option showing up here. That means when this option is turned on, you can only charge your phone via USB cable. So that's a really cool security feature added to Galaxy phones. And to turn off this auto blocker, it needs your fingerprint. In the same way, now you cannot downgrade this software to an older version due to new security policy. In the end, if I go to About Phone, then in Software Information, you can see that the Android security patch level is November 1st and Google Play system update is sitting on October 1st, 2024. So that was all about with this new November update for Galaxy S24. Let me know in the comment section if you have got this update yet or not. And with that said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.